Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at Voute Cafe here at Mia Park. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here at Voute Cafe here at Mia Park. Okay, I'm here with, what's your name?
Ashraf.
Ashraf. So, Mr. Ashraf is the manager here?
Yeah, for arrangement.
For arrangement. Can you introduce what is this place in Mia Park?
Okay, for like that, for example, for the dome, for design, okay,
Yeah.
500 riyal.
500 reals.
Yeah,
This is
only
include.
for design.
What are the inclusion for this 500?
With flower, with cookie flower, with balloons, in like that design.
With flowers and balloons. How about for the food?
For food extra.
That is not
500
included for the-
riyal. Also for the dome, have for drink free for people.
4 drinks are free.
Yeah, for people. 2 hours half.
Only 2 hours. How can we book for this venue?
Yeah, need call for food first.
Okay.
We can book for the dome.
Online, no?
Yeah. After call for me for my shop, Lavander shop. Where people know for the lavender.
Okay.
Good shop, good design. All we can have different design. With cake, different.
So this is again 500.
Yeah.
We can book it online.
Yeah.
And inclusion included is 4 drinks, no? Okay. So here, as you can see, this is the inside of the what do you call this area?
Dome.
This is a dome. Okay, a dome. So how many domes do you have here? 1, 2, 5 domes. Okay. So included, the flower is included?
Yeah.
Okay. So for those who wanted to visit this on February 14, so usually this is fully booked? On
14?
February 14 is fully booked now? Not yet?
Oh, yeah. Not yet, maybe.
Okay. So that's it. Okay,
But
thank you.
have not in package. Only 1,000 riyal.
1,000 real?
Yeah, with
What is the
design, with like that, but not like the design. More design,
Okay.
more balloon, more
For the
flower,
500,
with
the balloons
cake
also included?
Yeah, yeah, with cake also. Small cake, heart like that.
Okay, thank you. What's your name again, sir?
Ashraf.
Ashra. So again, visit here at the Mia Park Voute Cafe. So these are the domes here. We have 5. They have 5 domes, no, for this kind of
What
venue.
color also like different? Have like people with red, big, see different color also.
Okay.
Like color people also.
Okay. So
Good place.
different colors.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is very good. Okay, thank you very much again. Okay, thank you. Maya, tingin kayo dito. Hello! So Hello.